Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn a very important topic for Java beginners. Many students write Java program in Notepad, try to run them using command prompt and suddenly error appears. So in this video I will explain common problems while running Java program using CMD and Notepad one by one with reason and solution. Let's start. Basic requirement before running a Java program using CMD. We need Notepad, JDK installed, command prompt, and correct file name and folder.
So guys, when we write a Java program in Notepad and run using CMD, then javac is not recognized. This error is coming because every Java developer required JDK. So firstly install JDK and then write and run Java program. Okay, so here write Java hyphen hyphen version. So it gives Java version 21. So if this version is if Java is not installed, then javac is not recognized. This error is appear. So for solving this problem, we discuss this problem in separate video, which link I give in description, so you can watch and solve this problem. Okay, so let discuss second problem. Okay, so second problem we discuss here. When we write a Java program in Notepad and save this Java file as a .java extension and give the file name same as a class name. So here class name is test. So give the same name to the file name. So here I write test is the file name. File name and class name must be same and dot java save this dot java extension. Second problem is arrive because this file is saved as a dot text test.java.text this extension. So we required Java source file. So this save type change from text to all files. Okay, so third problem is also solved, which is occur because save type. Okay, and the fourth problem is a location of this program. Okay, so here I write this program test.java is a program I return in program folder. So firstly I copy this path, go to the properties and copy this path where we write Java program. Okay, and give this path in CMD. So here I change directory from C drive Suvarn folder to the program folder, which is located on desktop. So only I copy this path and paste here and write cd and this path and then enter. So we are in the program folder where this test file is located. So here I compile. We also see using dir directories. We see here test.java is file located here. Okay, the next compile this file. So using javac file name test.java, javac and file name with extension. This is the instruction for compiling. So if any syntax error like missing semicolon, missing curly braces, then all these message are when we compile our test file, then display here. If there is no error, then finally it run. Okay, so for running Java program, we give instruction Java and file name. Okay, and our program is run here and display welcome message.